Good morning, friends. This is Anbarasan from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I would like to share you one of the wonderful business opportunity just within few minutes. Definitely, it will be giving to you the wonderful financial freedom. Let's come to the point. What is the opportunity? This is one of the earning opportunity through mobile social media app is name called FIDA. First, we download the same through Play Store and understand the tools, what are the things having inside the tools. Then the similar things refer to our friends and knowing contacts. Through the referral, we gain the earning. In one more additional opportunity, this income we take it in outside everyday payout. Who offer this opportunity? FIDA, Six Sense Marketing Private Limited, Indur, Madhya Pradesh, India. Similarly, them website www.fida.app and www.sixsenseIT.com. A group of company having the strong platform in IT solution provider from 2009 onwards successfully completed more than 1200 projects in around the world. Right now, company entered the network marketing through the brand name of FIDA. Why we should take this? Earning requirement in each human life, regular expenses like day-to-day living, and basic expenses like education, minimum bike, minimum car, and permanent home. And finally, in lifetime expenses, medical as well as assets creation, as individual as well as our generation. So those are the three type of income record each human life. So in this three type of income having the earning potential through FIDA business. The highlight income referral income up to 15 level. So minimum 10 levels we gain 4.88 crore and up to 15 level 100 plus crores we can able in this through referral basis. Apart from that we have the rewards, bike, car, homes. Finally, we gain the lifestyle bonus also depends upon our performance. Exactly what is the business plan? FIDA giving five type of income. One is referral income through Prime membership. What is the meaning on the Prime membership? The FIDA F having two type opportunity. One is free membership, another one is Prime membership. The Prime membership want to be paid in INR 750 rupees for the registration fee. And next income reward bike and SUV Magendra and home. And third income lifestyle bonus. The serial number 1 referral income and serial number 2 reward income and serial number 3 lifestyle income. Those are the three income we can able to achieve through our network marketing. Apart from that, referral wallet income and timeline watch income. This should be our through our app daily the ad seeing and link sharing as well as our individual app along with our team app, all are the performance cumulatively we get the valid points. This point we should be engaged our shopping movements. Exactly what are the earning income potential? This is the core area of this business. Referral income through Prime membership. What are the referral we are giving to in our direct referral? We are directly getting the benefit INR 150. It means minimum we are giving to the 5 referral, at the time we are getting in 750. So here we paid the Prime membership in 750. Minimum 5 referral we are giving to this business opportunity, that time we are getting the 750. So here, as a small investment, immediately we are getting return back. And from the second level onwards, we are getting referral income 50, 30, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10. Then from the ninth level to up to 15th level, we are getting each level 5 rupee. So simply you see, from the second level 1250 our income, and third level 3750 our income, fourth level 12500 our income, fifth level 31250. So in fifth level, once we reach this plan, give it to us as a position star associates. And then sixth level, seventh level, once we reach the seventh level, the plan giving to us gold associates. And then eighth and ninth level, plan will give it to us and diamond level. So once we are reaching in the star level, it means 3905% under as our team having the Prime member, that time we are eligible to additional income of 1 lakh worth of bike. And the gold level, our team member, Prime member, 97,655. That time additionally we are getting the reward SUV Mahendra worth of 10 lakh. And finally, in the 9th to 10th level, our team will be having the Prime member 4 lakh 88,000 and above. That time we are getting the reward in home fund 25 lakh. So simply we are investing on simple investment in 750 up to 10th level, proper 5 metric we are construct the team, we get the income, referral income 4.88 crore. And apart from that, we get in the bike and SUV Mahendra as well as the home fund. Yes, a similar middle class family, the lifetime earning 5 crore as well as one bike and then Mahendra as well as the home. How much we want to be invest? Not only for invest, what are the time we should spend and what are the homework we can to do. So kindly look on to this thing. 100% legal business. Yes, a simple startup 750 that should be giving to us our entire life requirements. And apart from that, additional earning income, lifestyle bonus. So once we are reached the star performer, from there onwards, month on month, maintain minimum 1000 Prime membership in month on month. We are getting the additional income 15,000, as well as gold membership. After the gold membership, month on month, minimum 5,000 Prime member maintain in our team. That time we are getting in the additional lifetime bonus 50,000. Yes, similarly, in the diamond stage, we are maintaining 10,000 Prime member in each month our team. That time additionally we are getting in the 1 lakh rupee. So this should be apart from that referral income, reward income. This is our additional bonus. It is called lifestyle bonus. Then fourth income, referral wallet income in Timeline watch income. In the fourth and fifth income depends upon the our ad seeing and referring. This would be we are engaged in the our shoppings. What are the marketing potential of this? Yes, a survey displayed more than 37.61 crore Indians are using social media application every day. And apart from that, 5,000 50,000 crore potential having the digital advertisement in upcoming 2025 as per the survey indication. So this kind of the hung marketing potential found in this assignment. And who are the target people who having Android mobile above 18 years in front of us? Simply saying, just imagine it today, everyone having the Android mobile, minimum one with our hand. Only thing is we want to be right pitch. That is the main thing. Ultimately our aim help to others and increase the wealthy people in our nation. How can start? Business starting steps. Get the referral code. Who invited you? Click referral code and install FIDA app through Play Store. Then register mandatory KYC detail. Then buy 750 INR as a Prime member. Just simple starting step. And how can earn this business? First, refer and earn. That is the very big miracle movement in this business. First, understand the FIDA app tools very clearly and then forward your referral code to more peoples. Then direct them how to further. Then follow the system tools. Then ensure the team earning. Then our earning is automatic. So we should serve to our team, ensure them earnings, then our earning will be automatic. This is one of the proper understanding the tool chart. So nearing 25 major tools found in our FIDA app. We clearly first understood what are the each icon, brief the information the concern app. That time only we can able to instruct to our teammates and colleagues. This is very important criteria this business. And then majority the Crorepati area have founding in refer and tool for more sharing. This will be creating as a Crorepati. Just example screen for payment for daily payout. Our bank minimum withdraw INR 200. This is one simple screenshot. Just what are the having the earnings in our hand, that will be easily we can transfer to our account instantly without any hazards. Then if any queries we have, submit and clear way through FIDA app within 2 hours as a swift action. This is one of the legal business for your reference. What are the 750 we are buying the Prime membership? Company giving to us proper GST bill along with concern name and mandatory detail. Friends, hope you understand clearly and welcome to FIDA app business family. Wish you all good luck for your right wealthy life with a healthy life. If any further clarification required, please note it down my hand mobile number 99 438 35148. Thank you. Good luck.